So good morning my students. Today I came here with an important topic, that is oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Here I have already written that oxidation and reduction. In the case of the oxidation and reduction, whatever we know that oxidation, that is addition of oxygen. Oxidation, that is addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen, addition of electronegative element or ion, removal of electropositive ion or atom. Like that, increase in the positive valency or decrease in the positive valency, and loss of electron. So these are the 7 steps. If we are knowing about the 7 steps, then easily we can find out the substance oxidized, the substance reduced, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So first of all, if we are knowing about the oxidation, then we are knowing about the reduction, because just the reverse of the oxidation is the reduction. In case of oxidation, there is addition of oxygen. In case of oxidation, there is addition of oxygen, but just the reverse in the case of reduction. Here is addition of oxygen, but in case of reduction, there is removal of oxygen. Here is removal of hydrogen, then in case of reduction, there is removal of oxygen. So these two are the important for the class 10, ICSE, CBSE and others. But if we proceed more and more, then we should know about the loss of electron. Loss of electron or gain of electron. This process is always important, or loss of electron. So these only 3. First of all, we will discuss only 3: addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen and loss of electron. So come at the point, that is, here we are seeing the example, loss of electron. If loss of electron is taking place, or addition of oxygen is taking place, then that is known as oxidation, and substance is said to be oxidized. The substance is said to be oxidized, right? So for the addition of oxygen, suppose in case of magnesium or zinc or carbon, right? Suppose magnesium is combining with oxygen. Then magnesium oxide is formed. In this case, magnesium oxide is formed. Here, what is happening? Here we are saying that magnesium, first of all, balancing. Here are 2 oxygen. Here, this one is the 1 oxygen. So write here 2, and again here 2. This one is the balance equation. Here, what is happening? There is addition of oxygen to magnesium. There is addition of oxygen to magnesium, and as there is addition of oxygen to magnesium, we are seeing very well that this one is magnesium and this one is oxygen. So in this case, oxygen is just added to magnesium. So there is addition of oxygen, and as there is addition of oxygen to the magnesium, that's why magnesium undergoes the process of oxidation. So magnesium is oxidized and the substance which oxidized, that is known as reducing agent. So magnesium is oxidized, therefore magnesium, that is also an oxidizing agent. Magnesium, that is also an oxidizing agent. So in any case, if there is addition of oxygen, suppose in case of carbon just it is adding with oxygen, then it forms carbon dioxide. Then in this case, what is happening? Oxygen is just adding to carbon. In this case, oxygen is added to carbon, and as oxygen is added to carbon, therefore carbon is oxidized